Good morning students, welcome to the computer recorded class. So today we are going to start with chapter 7, that is more on tux paint. In the previous chapter we have learned about tux paint, the different parts of the tux paint window, the important features of tux paint, the different tools of tux paint. And in this chapter we are going to learn about the tux paint in details. So before beginning the chapter, let us do a quick recap of chapter 6. So what is tux paint? Tux paint is a paint software which is specially designed for children. Tux paint has some unique features which make it different from the MS paint. Firstly, tux paint is a free software. Secondly, it has got a penguin mascot. Thirdly, in tux paint, whenever you choose any tool, whenever you select any tool, tux plays some funny sounds. But it is not the same in case of MS Paint. In MS Paint, whenever we select any tool, there is no such funny sounds. Next, in Tux Paint, whenever you have to save a drawing, you need not give any file name. But the case is just a reverse in case of MS Paint. In MS Paint, whenever we save any drawing, we have to give a file name to the drawing. So these are some unique features of Tux Paint. Next, now what are the different tools that we use in tux paint? The different tools are paint tool, brush tool, eraser tool, text tool, quit tool. So these are some different tools which we have already learned about. And what are the different parts of the tux paint window? Important parts. The important parts are the tools bar, which is present on the left hand side, the help area where the penguin gives us the guidelines, the color palette where the different colors are present, the selector area on the right hand side where the different brushes, shapes, patterns are present, the up arrow, the down arrow, and also the drawing area or the canvas in the center. So this we have already learned in the previous class. Now in this new chapter we are going to learn some more important features of tux paint. Firstly, let us begin with sketching with the paint tool. Now what is sketching? Sketching means making a drawing. Whenever you make a sketch, means you make a drawing. So we can make a drawing using the tux paint, but what are the tools that we use? Okay, so whenever you want to make a sketch, firstly you have to open the tux paint window, then you have to select the paint tool which is present in the tools bar, and then you have to select the color, and then you can make the sketches. Suppose you want to make the mountains. First click on the paint tool, select the brown color, then draw the mountains. You want to draw the sun, select the paint tool, click on the yellow color, and then draw the sun. Means the paint tool, it is used for making sketches in tux paint. Next topic is the sub toolbox. So the sub toolbox is a unique feature of tux paint. Means it is a unique feature, important feature of tux paint window. In sub toolbox we have different types of patterns, brushes, shapes, different fonts, and the sub toolbox, it is present on the right hand side of the tux paint window. Next, haze brush shape. Okay, now what is haze brush shape? The haze brush is a unique subtool that has a hazy appearance. We can use it to draw objects that are far away. Hazy appearance means not clear, okay, indistinct, hazy, cloudy. So whenever we see things, suppose we are drawing a drawing a scenery, and we want to give some effects like the thing is far away. So for that we can use the haze brush shape. So for selecting the haze brush, what you have to do is, first you have to select the paint tool from the tools bar, and then you have to select the haze brush shape which is present on the right hand side in the sub toolbox. Okay, so whenever you use the haze brush, it will give a hazy appearance, means it will look as if the thing is far away, objects are far away. Next, time for some magic. The most special features of tux paint is a magic tool. As we all know, the magic tool is an important part of the tux paint, and using the magic tool we can give different magical effects to the drawing. Now suppose we have drawn a scenery. We have drawn the mountain, we have drawn a house, the sun, the rivers, we have drawn using the paint tool. Now we want to give some magical effects. So which tool we will use? We will use the magic tool. So suppose the first is bricks effect. We want to give the bricks effects in the house. So first what we will do, we will select the magic tool. Once we select the magic tool, the pointer will turn to the shape of a magic wand, and then you can select the bricks subtool from the subtoolbar. In order to give the bricks effect, we can select the bricks excuse me, subtool from the subtoolbar. Next, we can also give blur effect, grass effect. These are the different effects. You want to draw grasses, then you select the magic tool, then you select the grass effect from the subtoolbar. Blur effect, select the magic tool, then you select the blur effect from the right hand side. All this blur effect, grass effect, haze brush, these are present on the right hand side in the subtool box. These are some magical effects that we can give to the drawing. The next is the fill effect. Now what is fill effect? The fill effect, it helps to fill color in an object. Suppose we have drawn the picture and now we want to fill color. So which tool we will use? First, we'll select the magic tool, then we will select the fill tool. Yes, the fill tool, and then after selecting the fill tool, we will select the colors from the color palette. Okay, so you can see these are some different magical effects which we can give using the tools in the tux paint, but you have to do it practically, then only you will know. Yes, so your work is to download the tux paint, and you have to do you try to do all these effects, give all these effects using the different tools. Okay, so today we will stop here. I will be giving the question answers till here in the Google Classroom, and in the next class we are going to cover up the rest of the chapter. Okay, thank you.